Help support our coverage using Blueberry, the community that gives creators the ability to make money, get detailed audience measurements, and host their audio and video. Get 30 days to try out the service using promo code BLUBRRY004.
Well, our next guest is here. Hello.
Hello, how are you?
Fantastic. Yourself?
Okay. My name is Harry Rhim with VUEROID USA, which is the industry first AI technology-based dashcam supplier in the USA.
Okay.
I'm very much welcome, and thank you very much for giving me this chance.
Absolutely. So tell me about the product.
All right. As you may know, a dashcam fundamentally has several benefits. The number one benefit is the undeniable evidence by capturing footage of the road ahead and behind in case of an accident. This video evidence can be crucial in determining whose fault it is, especially in situations with conflicting stories. And it can also protect the driver from we call fraudulent claims by others,
Right.
and even help avoid unfair traffic citation. These are the biggest benefit of a dashcam. Second benefit of dashcam is the theft deterrence. Actually, the visible presence of a dashcam on your windshield can deter potential thieves from targeting your cars in the first place.
Makes sense.
Okay. Third one is the parking surveillance. In these days, most of a dashcam has a parking mode, which can automatically start recording when their car is parked and detect the movement or impact. And it can also help people in catching hit and run instant or vandalism attempt when your car is unattended, right?
Sure.
The first one is we call that is capturing scenic drive, which is not main purpose, but it can also be used for capturing beautiful views or scenery during road trips, creating your journey, long-lasting memory. These are the main reason and benefit of a dashcam.
Yeah.
But what makes the VUEROID dashcam unique and different? The number one is the high-quality image based on the proprietary ISP technology for unparalleled image quality.
Okay.
That's number one. Two is the AI technology with automatic license plate capture mode and AI-powered license plate restoration functions.
Okay.
I'm going to tell you what that means is later on.
Okay.
So the third one is the premium night vision mode based on Sony Starbase 1 and Starbase 2 C mode sensor. Fourth one is the parked car recording on impact and motion and time lapse. Fifth is the energy saving parking mode. It wakes up on impact and start recording less than 1 second after detecting impact. The sixth one is vehicle battery protection. It wakes up on impact, as I told you. When the battery power is low, it automatically shut off and to protect the battery. The seventh is VUEROID Hub application with privacy protection for Android and Apple CarPlay, which AI-powered automatic. The license plate blur mode can locate it and blur the other vehicle's license plate number and the driver's face as well.
Okay.
Okay? It can help a lot. The number 8 is the easy file transfer using Wi-Fi connectivities. It directly connects to other device for file transfer using Wi-Fi connectivity.
Okay.
Number 9 is the recording reliability and conversion free based on the FAT 32 file system. Number 10 is it is fully compatible with portable battery, such as a power bank. These are the main feature of a VUEROID dashcam, makes unique and different than others. Based on this kind of good features, VUEROID has already sold over 4 million units of dashcam for the last 5 years to worldwide, with average 44 million US dollars of the annual sales revenue during that time period.
Okay.
All right? Now, I'm going to tell you something. In a world where road accidents are commonplace, and consumers and commercial customers alike are looking to reduce risk, increase safety, and protect their investment. Now, VUEROID can provide it a full range of high-quality dashcam to address these needs and constantly innovate to meet the future requirement.
So let's talk about some statistics.
Right.
So you said high-quality video. What resolution are we recording
Mostly
at?
4K in front,
Okay.
and 2K in rear.
Okay.
And the actual 4K image is not so easily made it, all right? It is kind of a long history camera and processing technology basis.
Okay.
There's a lot of, dashcam supplier talking about 4K. It is not real 4K.
Right. Or it is, but the lens isn't good enough to actually capture 4K, so who cares?
Right.
Right. And so you said that you're using a Sony CMOS.
Exactly. Stubis 1 and Stubis 2.
So we know Sony does well with their cameras. They've been partners with,
That's true.
with Zeiss for decades now. So I imagine the actual picture pickup is as good as the storage.
Right, exactly.
So that's
exactly.
good.
You know well.
Are we? Does this run on a battery or does this plug into the car?
Mostly both way is possible, but mostly we suggested connecting to the battery inside.
Okay.
Using the OVD cable.
Okay.
That is very much possible.
So we're going to do a more direct connection. We're not having to go under the hood and wire into the battery. We're going into the port on the car.
Mostly the cigarette, the charger is inside.
Okay.
So you could hook it up directly.
Okay.
And you can use the all the features using one camera. But if we use 2 camera or 3 camera, then you're going to use it such a OVD cable directly connecting to the vehicle battery.
Okay. So with multiple cameras, we recommend a direct hardwire, and that allows it to do all of the parking stuff too, right? 'Cause
right.
For most people, when you turn your car off, your cigarette lighter goes too.
Exactly.
Okay.
So that kind of purpose, we suggested to using the connection to the vehicle battery directly.
Okay.
Yeah.
That,
using the cable.
I was going to ask how that worked, and so that totally makes sense. Is there a battery in it, or are we, when we're talking about running it off battery, are we talking about plugging it into something?
Basically, dashcam does not contain any kind of battery cell. All right, always connecting to the vehicle battery first.
Okay.
All right.
Okay.
Or if we use such a portable battery selling on the street, that could be another solution to easily connect with each other.
Okay.
Right.
So you said 4K to the front, 2K to the back. Is that
right?
Is that one device that's aiming both ways, or is that 2 devices mounted on both sides?
Good suggestion. Both are possible, but we suggested separate.
Okay.
The front camera itself and the rear camera on the back shield. Okay. That is a suggestion.
Okay, so that'll give you a better frame of vision out the back.
Exactly.
If you've got a passenger in the back seat.
That's right, because of the field of viewers.
Right.
Okay.
Okay, but you could have one inside if, say, you're an Uber driver.
Right.
And you want to be able to record what's happening in the car as well, because sometimes passengers can be a problem.
Right.
Okay.
Rideshare, such as Uber, Lyft, and taxi driver, they needed inside camera as well, separate with the front and back.
Right.
Okay.
Okay. And what kind of price point are we looking at?
Well, The most advanced one, we call it S1 Infinite, has the 2-channel, price at the $299.99.
Okay.
And 1-channel, $240, and 3-channel, $350, which is very much competitive than the others.
Okay.
For the other competitor has around over 400, based on 2-channel. So we are very much competitive as a brand new.
And you're using Sony CMOS. So
right.
I mean that's a win right there.
Yeah, that solution is really good for especially a night vision mode. Okay.
So where can people find out more about this or purchase one for themselves?
Right. Basically, Amazon is the good place to buy, but later on, the retail channels such as the Best Buy or automotive retail such as Pep Boy or AutoZone will carry this item very soon.
Okay. Very cool. And the website, is it VUEROID.com?
That's correct.
VUEROID.com?
That's true.
Awesome.
Right.
Thank you so much for coming up and talking to me today.
Very pleasure.
Dash cams are an important thing. I was almost a victim of one of those scammers who backed into me at a red light.
Yeah.
And I happened to have a phone hooked up as a dash cam, and that's how I got out of it.
I'm going to send you one good sample to you for your own purpose, and let me know what's the result after using that. Would you do that?
Hopefully I won't need it, but yes, absolutely.
All right, okay.
Have a good rest of the show.
Thank you very much. Thank you.
The Tech Podcast Network's CES 2025 coverage is executive produced by Adam Barker. Technical director is Kirk Corliss. Associate producers are Nancy Ertz, Tracy Ingram, Xerxes Goddard, Brandy Jackson, and Aviva Cram. Voiceover by Aaron Hurst. Our hosts are Marlo Anderson, Don Bain, and Scott Ertz. Studio and equipment are provided by PLUGHITZ Productions. The TPN studio executive is Todd Cochran. This has been a Tech Podcast Network production, copyright 2025.